In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in CapCut. Simply just open your CapCut and press on to new video. Select any video, press on to add. Okay, as you can see, showing it to add audio option. Press on to add audio and showing it to extract sound, sound effect, a record or text to audio. So like press on to sound from my CapCut audio, just select, just press on to plus option. Or if you want to add from your gallery, press on to select your gallery device, iTunes or state, from TikTok. Okay, or if you want to extend any video to audio, press on to select any video to audio or sound record. So that's how we can easily add audio.